Hey guys, I'm Laksha. Welcome back to my channel Fun Time. Hello everyone, I'm Laksha and welcome back to my channel. And this is the second video of the Diwali DIY series. Everybody have some pista shells lying around here and there. So I have decided to make a candle stand out of this pista shells like this. Isn't it looking awesome? Let's make it. Come on. You just require a cardboard, scale, compass and a pencil, cutter, spray paint, or you can also use any paint of your choice, and some pista shells. And don't forget glue gun is required. So let's start. Take a cardboard and draw any measurement circle. I've taken 4 cm radius. Cut out a few circles from the cardboard like these. The cardboard circle and measure your tea light candle on it. Circle. Like this. Now take your pista shells and glue them around the circle. Now repeat the process. It's ready. It's time to spray paint. See, I let it dry. The candle stand is ready. And now it's time to place our candle in and light it up. Isn't it beautiful? You can also make this in different colors and size. You can also make this in Diwali and decorate it on that day and have fun with your family. So thank you. Subscribe, like and share my channel.